Customizing Dawn theme in Shopify is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Let's start the process. Open the Shopify website in Google Chrome. It looks like this. It has many pages on the left sidebar, like orders, products, marketing content, customers, analytics, discounts, online store, settings, and so on. In the middle, we see the plans to complete and manage our Shopify store. Go to the sidebar and open the online store. A pop-up menu will appear with many options. Select themes, and a page will open with various themes. Since we're working with the Dawn theme, find the Dawn theme and click the Customize button. Our site will open with the Dawn theme. Here is the header. We can edit the logo. Its position can be middle, left, top, right, and more. We can change the main menu and remove the current menu. Here, I clicked on the Add Menu button, and the navigation page opened. Scroll down and click Add Menu to add more pages. Here, I entered the page product and linked it with the t-shirt page. Save the changes, then go back and see the header changes. Go to the image banner. You can set the first or second image and edit it. Adjust the opacity of the image. With high opacity, the image will be darker. You can also set the banner's height, delete it, position text on the image, and adjust the font size. There are many other options you can explore, including adding CSS. Go to the footer. It can also be edited. Add text and make it bold or italic. You can paste a link here with text. The footer menu can also be changed. Now, go to the left side and select Theme Settings. The theme settings offer many options to customize the theme, as you can see. Click on Logo. Select the image and save it here. Next is the color settings. You can change the color of text and background. Button styling can also be adjusted. Change its color, shape, opacity, and other effects. Animation settings can be adjusted here with various changes and effects. There's a content container, media dropdown, social media, custom CSS, and a banner for styling and customizing the theme. Click on the third option on the left side. This section is about apps to further customize our theme. And it's done. So, in this way we can customize Dawn theme in Shopify easily.